This is HTVRONT's current line of sublimation film, available in packs of 5, 10, or 20. The front side has a matte texture, while the back is smooth. If you encounter paper jams or incomplete prints, it's usually due to one of two reasons. The film is transparent, so the printer's optical sensor may fail to detect it. The smooth surface provides less friction, making it harder for the printer to feed the sheet properly. Here is how to fix it. Place a sticker on the bottom edge of the transparent film. If you run out of the included stickers, you can also use heat-resistant tape or masking tape. If that still doesn't work, attach a regular A4 sheet to the back of the film to improve feeding friction and help the sensor detect it better. Now, let's move on to the printing process for the sublimation film. To use your own design or photo, click Upload in the left menu bar. Then, in My Device, select HTVRONT phone case heat press. Next, select your phone model. Here, we are going with the iPhone 16 Pro. Then, go to Canvas and adjust the image's size and position to make sure it fills the green dashed area. Click Flip horizontally after your image is ready. Now, find the file in the top left menu and click Print to print the image out. For best results, choose high-quality glossy paper, and set the print quality to high for your printer settings. If the printer does not offer this option, please select either transparency or thick paper. When the phone case heat press's green light has been on for about 10 minutes, at which point the top cover temperature will be over 40 degrees Celsius, place the film with the matte side facing up on the top cover to dry. We recommend drying for more than 5 minutes, then letting it cool for about 1 minute before using it with your heat press. For best results, 1. Always store unused film in a sealed bag. 2. After printing and drying, use the film immediately. If not, seal it to prevent moisture from affecting your transfer results. 3. We recommend using the printed film within 4 hours for optimal performance.